We'll guide you through how to make lifestyle photo in Photoroom. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create realistic lifestyle product photos without expensive photo shoots or professional models. Using AI tools in Photoroom makes it easy to place products into natural scenes. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Photoroom on your device so you can follow each step without interruptions. For example, I downloaded it on my Android phone already, which makes it easy to demonstrate the process clearly. If you have not installed it yet, you can download it from the Play Store, which is guaranteed to be safe and reliable for all users. Once installed, click the Photoroom app to open it quickly and wait for the main interface to load completely. On the initial screen, there will be 4 main menus, namely Home, AI Tools, Batch, and Content, which provide different features for your editing needs. Start by opening the Content menu. Then click Continue with Google so your designs will be saved automatically and securely. After successfully signing in, click AI Tools to continue with the main feature used in this tutorial. Once the options appear, select AI Images from the list to access image generation tools. After that, choose Product Staging for your project so you can create a lifestyle-style image. Next, select the image you want to insert, for example a chair, from your gallery. Then click Landscape, where you can change the photo size, for example choose square, depending on your preference. After that, click Describe Anything to start generating creative ideas. Type "Add a beautiful European woman naturally interacting with the chair" as an example. Then click Generate Image to proceed. After the image has been successfully generated, you can see the result based on your description. Next, click the result, and you can edit it again using AI if needed for better refinement. Alternatively, click Open in Editor and let the background be removed automatically for easier editing. Then you can adjust the image manually based on your preferences and desired outcome. For example, click Shadows, try several available options, and once you find a suitable one, click Apply this shadow. Once finished, click Export to see the final result.